is magkakadikit-dikit naman yung spikes, stable pa rin siya. And nakakatayo pa rin siya. You can also do dynamic poses since kasama rin tong base. Ganda ng base. Meron siyang logo na Batman versus Superman. You have the text, Batman. Ang ganda lang ginawa nila ditong stylized na text kasi dati, ang font na ginagamit nila, Arial. Dito, ano na siya, custom font. I think this is custom font for Batman v Superman. Or I think si si Fanjoy na ang nag-decide na medyo stylized yung text. Ito naman, iba rin sa Superman. So, mas naka-curve yun sa Superman. Or I think ano lang to, some kind of alignment error. Pero stick pa rin, ganda. So, this is the red logo, tapos ito yung white logo for Superman. Silver. I think this is silver. Yeah, I think that's silver. At least may variation pa rin yung yung bases niya. Okay, for articulation, up. Uy, tanggal. Okay, dahan-dahan lang. Up. Very nice. Malaki pa rin yung range of motion. Down. Tapos, 360. Pwede pa rin mag 360 kahit na bulky yung armor. Okay, tapos, yung arms can rotate, can move up, outward. May rotation din sa arms. Tapos, double jointed na elbow. I think, yeah, ganyan lang kasi nakaharang tong part na to. Double jointed pa rin naman. Okay? Tapos, you can rotate the wrist up and down. Meron din siyang rotation. And then, yung body can also do the up, stretch, and crunch. So, meron siyang twist dito sa part na to. Meron din siyang twist dito, lower part. And then, sa feet naman, you can pull it down for additional motion. Kick that far. Double jointed knee that far. And you can move out, straight, kick, and back. Back, back, back. Can you do back? Yes. Ito, ganito. Tapos yung paa can rotate. Ayan. Ang ganda rin ng accessory niya, yung Kryptonite Spear. And then meron din siya, ang haba nito. Siguro mga 7, kasing tangkad niya, 7.5 inches. Very nice na sculpt. Tapos meron siyang green na Kryptonite effect sa top. Okay, tapos dami niya accessories. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 extra hands, and then you have the Kryptonite na launcher. And then you also have Kryptonite bullets. Yan. Medyo ingat lang kayo dito kasi nung tinanggal ko doon, nag-snap yung piece. I mean, lumipad yung piece. Buti nga nakita ko din kung saan siya lumipad. Kasi medyo mahirap tanggalin dun sa clamshell eh. So you need to pop it out of the shell. Tapos ito yung kanyang grappling gun. Super nice. Mamaya i-equip na lang natin yan. Okay?